Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah 2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. So let's get started. If you want to download additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue and we can open the ZEP application by tapping on the icon, of course. Actually, let me reopen it so we can see the home page. And usually when you open the app, you will see the home page and you can tap on device. And here on the device page, you should see your Cheetah 2 Pro. Now, under it, you will see this watch faces category. You can tap on it to open the watch face store. And here you can browse through different categories, find something you fancy. And once you find the watch face you like, you simply tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you can then tap install. Of course, as you can see, some of the watch faces are not free. You need to pay for them. And some of them are free. So if you're looking for the free one, just browse. You'll find some for sure. And if you're looking for something and you want to pay for it, you can find some nice as well, some nice watch faces as well if you're willing to pay. Okay, but I'm just gonna apply, for example, this one. So we can tap on the watch face, then tap on sync. It will start downloading, installing, and once it's done, it will be applied on your watch. And here we have it. And watch faces that are installed on your watch will appear right here on the list of watch faces installed on your watch. And if you run out of space, because at some point you will run out of space for the watch faces, you can also remove some, or you can remove some watch faces by tapping on delete, and then you can select the watch face you want to remove and tapping on delete and OK, and the watch face will be removed. And once you free up the space, you can install some more if you want to. Okay. And that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.